Whether it's morning, noon, or night, it's always AM.
With the kids.
With the kids.
And today we got my little nephew with us.
We're going to go fishing.
Where are we at, Matt?
Bee Hive.
Where are we at?
Bee Hive.
Bee Hive. Yeah, we got my brother here too.
Yeah.
So let's keep it friendly and let's catch some fish. Hey, what are you eating?
Gum.
You're supposed to be fishing, not eating gum. Have you caught anything?
No, I got a nibble, but it took my corn.
It took your corn?
Yeah, the fish.
Tell him to save you a piece of corn.
What?
All right. Oh, damn, dude.
Oh, you got a big one.
Dang, that's a good size one.
Good job. Good job, big fish.
Hey.
Oh, God. Yeah, I must have a piece of gum yet.
So we've already been here, what, 2 hours?
Yeah. And
We've caught one fish.
mine,
I wasn't able to
caught
get
a
Matt.
fish,
I wasn't able to get Matt's, but he did reel in one, and it was right there, and he just fell off the hook.
It's
Yeah.
considered caught.
But I caught one.
So we technically got two, right?
Or hook. It's considered
Yeah.
hook.
But I got one, but mine got fast.
Up two, caught one.
I caught it, but it got released.
It's so beautiful out here. It's so nice, but man, is it
Relaxing.
cold.
Make it flat. Is the gum flat?
Hey, look, it's Frank's truck. Work truck.
I can.
Hello.
About to recast your pole. We still haven't gotten another fish. Oh, that was close. We only got one fish still.
That's mine.
We caught one and released it, and we're still waiting for our next one.
Yeah, that all popped it.
Hopefully we'll catch one. And that's a little fat chipmunk. Look at that guy. Whoa, whoa. He's like, I'm gonna challenge you.
That'd be hilarious.
Well, we're going back. We were up here for 3 hours, almost 4. We only caught one fish.
And that's me.
And then we caught and released one on accident. But hey.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Hey, but hey, we still caught one, right?
Yeah, at least I caught one. Wait, what type of fish was it?
Trout.
A trout?
His 15-pound test aluminum foil line.
This guy found some donuts. Oh, there he goes.